Hello and welcome to the sixth and final video in this series of videos for Module 5, which is focused on design thinking. In this particular video, we provide a concluding summary of this particular module. And in doing so, we understand there are different design thinking approaches. We understand the design process, drawing upon our curriculum and resources, the digital technology sequence of content F to 10, and I'll conclude with a final word about completion of this particular module and my very best wishes as you move forward in planning and implementing this exciting digital technology subject area. You've seen this conceptualisation several times throughout this module, and you can see where we've examined those topics of 5.2 on investigating and defining, 5.3 generating and designing, 5.4 producing and implementing. Evaluating occurs throughout all of those design process stages, and collaborating and managing is important as we work through a project-based learning approach where students create their digital solutions. These are the kinds of topics that we examined, and albeit briefly, within this module. So what is design thinking? We examined some different ways of looking at design thinking. We looked at the design process and production skills, the sequence of content F to 10, and design brief. Similarly, as we worked through those topics 5.2 to 5.5, we looked at some of the key ideas which need to be understood in terms of design thinking and the design process. So as you approach your planning and implementation of the digital technology subject area and including your work on design thinking and the design process, please remember those three message systems of curriculum, pedagogy and assessment, and keep asking the questions of why we're teaching what we're teaching. Why are we using the pedagogical approach that we're using? Why are we using these particular assessment approaches? And ensure that there's a clear line of sight and constructive alignment between your curriculum, the pedagogical approach, and the assessment. The digital technologies sequence of content F to 10, we've scratched the surface here of much richer, deeper content and expectations of ACARA's digital technology subject area. If you're using C2C and have C2C available, there's some excellent understandings to draw upon and resources to draw upon from C2C. And as you approach your school level planning, your year level planning and your class planning, you can see that this becomes a coherent, cohesive approach as students move through from F to 10 in digital technologies. Similarly, we highlighted the importance in this particular module of systems thinking, computational thinking and design thinking, complemented by strategic thinking and futures thinking, with a great emphasis on systems thinking, computational thinking and design thinking, as those approaches collectively enable students to create digital solutions through programming solutions, robotic solutions and information solutions. So with a final word, you know what's expected in terms of required activities, the engagement and extension activities, the optional activities. Remember that the module completion requires the 10-item quiz, 60% minimum level of achievement. You're allowed multiple attempts. You can use it formatively and summatively, whatever works best for your learning. I hope that you've enjoyed engaging with Module 5 as much as I've enjoyed working with you. So thank you again, and my final word is all the very best wishes to you in your planning and implementing this exciting digital technology subject area with your students. Thank you so much.